Welcome to our May. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. When you open Disk Management to extend the C drive, you may find the Extend Volume button is grayed out in the right-click menu, which restricts you to adjust the low-space drive. In fact, Disk Management only allows users to execute this feature when there is an unallocated space right behind the target drive. If there is no such space, or the unallocated space isn't adjacent to the target drive, or the file system of low space drive isn't NTFS or REW, then the extended volume will be disabled. Luckily, we still have a way to fix it. Part 1. Extend drive via deleting volume in Disk Management. Part 2. Extend a low-space C drive without data loss. Let's see the first way. In this way, we can manually create an unallocated space that is right behind the C drive to enable Extend Volume button. Right-click the Start button. Select Disk Management to open it. Right-click the drive that's behind C drive and choose Delete Volume. Obviously, this way will delete all the data on that drive, so you'd better make a backup in advance. Click Yes in the warning window to delete all on this drive. Then this drive will become an unallocated space right behind the C drive, and the extended volume of the C drive will be enabled. Although you can solve Extend Volume grayed out Windows 11, you have to delete all your data and files on the other drive. No one would like to lose data, and a backup needs time. If you're urgent to extend a low free space drive, it wouldn't be a nice choice. Fortunately, a pragmatic disk manager, Army Partition Assistant Professional, can do this job quickly and safely. You won't lose any data during the process, and it has different features that allow you to extend any drive with or without an unallocated space right behind the target drive. Just Google Army Partition Assistant, download and install it. Let's see how to use this efficient tool to extend the C drive in 3 different situations. Situation 1. Use a non-adjacent unallocated space. If your disk does have unallocated space, but it isn't adjacent to the C drive, you can use Merge Partitions to directly add this space to the C drive. Run Army Partition Assistant. Right-click the partition you want to add the unallocated space to, and then choose Merge Partitions. Select the unallocated space, and then click OK. In the new window, the size of the partition has been increased. Situation 2. Allocate free space from another drive. Army Partition Assistant can help user allocate free space on another drive to the target drive without asking to delete anything. At the home page, right-click a drive with much free space. In the new window, you can specify the space size and target partition. Select C drive from the given list and click OK. After that, a part of free space on this drive will be added to the C drive. Situation 3. The file system of low space drive isn't NTFS. Only the NTFS drive can be adjusted in Disk Management. But if you have a FAT32 drive and you don't want to convert it to NTFS, Army Partition Assistant can also use it to allocate its free space to the C drive. The operation is just the same as the last solution. But here are some things you need to notice. Number 1. If the partition is formatted with exFAT or REW, you need to format it to NTFS. Number 2. MBR disk only supports 2 TB. The space beyond 2 TB will be unallocated and can be used to the existing partition, so the extend volume is grayed out. You need to convert the disk to a GPT partition table. To serve in disk management, extend volume grayed out in Windows 11. We introduced some methods in different situations. Hope you find anyone suitable for you. Want to know more about Almay? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We're here to help you with your any issues.